Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty, where I'm going to show you how you can craft the stone pickaxe within this game. So let us begin right away. In order to craft the stone pickaxe weapon, you will need to collect 4 stones and 1 log. Now the stones can be found scattered throughout the ground, just as sticks. However, in order to collect the log, you will need to unlock the ability to chop down trees. To do this, you will need to craft the stone axe. Just go into your creation menu by tapping on the Q button, and from the handcrafting page, you will find that you will need 10 sticks and 2 stones to craft the stone axe. So collect 10 sticks and 2 stones, and then craft the stone axe from this menu. And then you can simply go to any tree in order to chop it down. Once the tree has been chopped down, you can collect the log from this. And once you have 1 log and 4 stones, go back to the crafting menu, and then choose the stone pickaxe. Once the stone pickaxe has been crafted, you can go to your inventory and then equip this weapon onto your desired slot. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the stone pickaxe within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.